Today, we're flipping the switch on a topic that literally powers our daily lives, but honestly, often goes unnoticed: your home's electrical rulebook. We're going to talk about the crucial guidelines that keep you safe every single time you plug something in.
You know, every time you charge your phone or make toast, you're tapping into this incredibly complex system that's governed by some very strict, invisible rules. So what exactly are they, and why are they so important for our safety? All right, let's pull back the curtain on these hidden rules. We're about to decode the official guidelines that make sure our homes are wired safely. We're going to be zeroing in on Article 210 of the National Electrical Code. You can really think of this as the foundational chapter for pretty much all the power you use day to day. It sets the stage for everything from your bedroom outlets to the lights in your kitchen. And that brings us right to the core concept of Article 210, branch circuits. So what on earth is a branch circuit anyway?
Okay, so a branch circuit is basically the last leg of the journey for your electricity. Power flows from your main electrical panel, and then, well, it branches out through wiring to every single outlet and light fixture in your house. That tree analogy is perfect. It's like a distribution network, delivering power exactly where it's needed.
Now, Article 210 specifically covers circuits that are 1,000 volts or less. I know that might sound like a ton of power, but it actually covers every standard system you'd find in a home. We're not talking about those giant industrial power lines. We're talking about the power that runs your life.
Within these rules, some things are just absolutely non-negotiable. And that brings us to a really critical safety rule that you need to know about. You see, the electrical code has all these layers of protection, right? But some of the most important are the safety devices built right into the system. And here, the rules are incredibly strict. There is zero gray area.
So think about it like this. On one side, you have brand new, certified devices that are tested at the factory and meet exact safety standards. You know what you're getting. On the other side, you have reconditioned devices. The code sees these as a massive red flag. Why? Because you can't guarantee their performance. Their history is a total mystery, and when it comes to safety, mystery is a word you never want to hear.
The code gets super specific and calls out two types of devices that can never be reconditioned. First, the GFCI, or ground fault circuit interrupter. You've seen these. They're the outlets in your kitchen and bathroom with the little test and reset buttons. They protect you from electric shock. Second is the AFCI, or arc fault circuit interrupter. This is usually a circuit breaker that helps prevent electrical fires. These two are so critical that they must always be new.
And that really just says it all, doesn't it? In a world of complex regulations, this is a simple, hard line. For the devices designed to prevent shock and fire, there are no second chances, no refurbished parts, period.
But you know, the code isn't just about prohibitions. It's also about providing specific guidance for specific situations. It is definitely not a one-size-fits-all document. And that makes perfect sense, right? A circuit that's powering a small lamp is fundamentally different from one running a central air conditioner. Heavy-duty equipment that draws a lot of power needs its own set of rules to operate safely. And this is where Table 210.3 from the code comes in. Think of it like a directory for your appliances. Installing an air conditioner? The table points you to Article 440. A motor? Go check out Article 430. This ensures that powerful equipment gets the dedicated circuit design it absolutely requires.
So, after looking at all these rules and tables, we come to the most important question of all. Why does any of this actually matter to you?
So let's boil it down. What are the key takeaways? Well, Article 210 is the safety foundation for the power in your home. A branch circuit is that final path from the panel to your plug. Critically, safety devices like GFCIs and AFCIs must always be new, no exceptions. And remember, those big heavy-duty appliances play by their own specific rules. Ultimately, the code's complexity serves a really simple purpose: protecting you. It's an intricate system designed for your safety. And that leaves us with a final thought. What other hidden systems are working to protect you every day? Thanks for joining.